Okay, so welcome back everyone. Now in this lecture, I'm going to talk about a full outer join. So we have already seen a inner join and then left and then right join separately. Now, so full outer join is a join, so which is going to give you complete data from a left table as well as from a right table. And then a relationship between all those data set which is available inside the left table and a right table. Now, the problem with full outer join in MySQL is that there is no such keyword which exists directly called as full outer join. But there is a workaround that we can look into, and that workaround is basically try to take a left join, try to take a right join, and then make a union, and eventually that is going to give you the data for a full outer join. So let's try to understand that how full outer join is going to work. Technically, full outer join is the kind of a join so which is going to give you a data from a left table as well as right table and a relationship, or maybe with not a relationship. So that is going to be blank. So this is something called as full outer join. How we can do that? So let's try to consider one of the use cases, and with the help of use cases, let's try to understand it. So here we had a campaign table, right? We had a campaign table and then we had a lead table. So obviously I'm running a campaign, I'm generating a lead. Yeah. Now I just wanted to fetch all the campaign detail and I just wanted to fetch all the lead detail. Simple. Yeah. All the campaign detail and all the lead detail I would like to fetch. And then I just wanted to understand a relationship between the campaign and the lead. This is my requirement that I have. So let's try to do that. Let's try to write it down. So here, what we can do is that we have, I think, already written. So what we can do is that we can try to perform a left join operation. We can try to perform a left join operation that we have already written. So select a star from a campaign, left join leads based on the campaign ID. Okay, fine. Now this is going to give me all the data from the campaign and the lead table. Okay, fine. Now let's try to rewrite the same thing with a right join. So with the right join over here, just this change, right? Right join. Okay. Now this is also going to give me the data. So it is going to give me all the data set which is available into the campaign table and the lead table. And again, so we are able to see that for some of the lead, there is no campaign, means from somewhere else this lead is coming. Now, if I have to do a full outer join, so combination of right and left full outer join. So what we can do is that you can try to call union keyword in between. Now this became a full outer join. If you are going to execute it, this is the data. Yeah, this is the data that I'm able to receive with all kind of a relationship in between the data set. As simple as that. So this is technically a full outer join. And based on this full outer join, so whatever data comes, it is trying to give you those data sets. So this is how you can do a full outer join in case of a SQL, guys. Hope all of you are able to understand this particular part. With that, thank you so much everyone. Take care and see you again in my next lecture.